हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं अमित त्यागी और आज मेरे साथ जुड़ रही हैं एक बेहद खूबसूरत अदाकारा। इनका एक लंबा अभिनय का सफ़र था। ये माँ बनी, इन्होंने बुक लिखी, बहुत सारा काम करती रहती हैं। मेरे साथ है ईशा देओल, खूबसूरत सी। और ईशा अब एक बार फिर से पर्दे पर दस्तक दे रही है एक खास दुआ लेकर, क्योंकि इनकी जो नया प्रोजेक्ट है उसका नाम है एक दुआ। तो ईशा, इस दुआ में आप किसके लिए दुआ करें? इस वक्त हम सबको दुआओं की ज़रूरत है। ये जो पूरा कोरोना का टाइम चल रहा है, आई थिंक दुआ इज़ समथिंग वी ऑल नीड।
We all need, especially right now with the pandemic. um, लेकिन फिल्म की बात करें तो जैसे आप ट्रेलर अगर आपने देखा है और इसमें जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन दिख रहा है।
जी।
उसके अलावा भी अगर जब भी आप लोग फिल्म देखोगे तो उसमें और भी एक मैसेज है विच इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट। और उसको लेके ये जो दुआ मांग रही है फिल्म में एक डायलॉग भी है। अ, ये अल्लाह की देन है,
जी।
इसके बारे में फैसले करने वाले हम कौन होते हैं। तो वही बात पे दुआ है।
जी। तो आप जब जिस वक़्त आपने आपने कई ढेर सारी फ़िल्में की, मैंने आपके कई कई बार इंटरव्यूज़ किए हैं जब यू यूज्ड टू बी वेरी एक्टिव। सिनेमा काफ़ी बदल गया है ईशा। अभी आजकल कहानियाँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक टाइम था, एक हीरोइन एक पर्टिकुलर मोल्ड में ही होती थी। बट नाउअडेज़ आई थिंक विद द न्यू एज, द डिजिटल रिवॉल्यूशन, आई थिंक देयर आर रोल्स रिटन फॉर एवरीबॉडी। देयर रोल्स आर रियल रोल्स, इट्स नॉट जस्ट द ग्लैम डॉल्स prancing around the place.
I totally agree with
What do you feel? I think it's a happy phase right now in terms of cinema.
you. So much, such good content available now for a viewer and for an actor as well, and a maker. There's a huge diversity in the choices of the audience as well. Audience is accepting different kind of cinema, different kind of genres, and they're enjoying it. So it's like a field to go and play in.
जी। इसके अलावा आप इस प्रोजेक्ट के साथ कुछ और एक और ये प्रोजेक्ट इसलिए कुछ और तरीकों से भी खास है। तो मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि बिसाइड्स बीइंग एन एक्टर, यू आर आल्सो एसोसिएटेड विद द प्रोजेक्ट इन another way as well. I would like you to share on that as well.
Yes, so this is Ek Dua is the first film we have produced under our banner, Bharatesha Films. Um, it was purely the story that was narrated to me, which really pulled at my heartstrings. More so, I think, because I'm a mother and I'm a daughter myself. And I felt, just being an actress or an actor in a film like this is not going to be enough for me. I want to be associated with a topic like this in a larger scale. And that's when we produced Ek Dua under our Bharatesha films. And I would say it's a humble contribution of us through the medium of cinema towards such a huge topic, which is very important to be addressed.
आप खुद
So
एक
if this film it can create a positive impact on the viewer, then I've achieved what I wanted through this film.
तो शो में एक छोटी आपकी फ़िल्म में एक छोटी-सी बच्ची भी है। तो बच्चों के साथ जब आप काम कर रहे हैं, कितना अलग होता है? आप खुद मदर हैं, तो एम्पैथी बच्चों के साथ थोड़ी अलग होती है। तो हाउ
जी,
इज़
बिल्कुल।
द चाइल्ड
बीइंग
एक्टर?
अ मदर, एक खुद मदर होना और सेट पे भी मदर का किरदार करना इज़ रियली नाइस बिकॉज़ वी नो हाउ टू बी विद द किड्स, हाउ टू हैंडल देम। लेकिन दोनों भी बच्चे बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल, वेरी गुड एक्टर्स। दे वुड बी फुली प्रिपेयर्ड ऑन सेट एंड बारबी शर्मा इज़ प्लेइंग द गर्ल्स रोल। वेरी क्यूट गर्ल, वेरी बहुत ही एंजेलिक फेस है उसका, तो शी वाज़ परफेक्ट फॉर दुआ's रोल।
जी। आपकी मदर ने आई थिंक शी वाज़ वेरी रिवॉल्यूशनरी। उन्होंने शादी के बाद भी काम जारी रखा। वो प्रोड्यूसर भी थी, एक्ट्रेस भी थी, सीरियल्स भी बनाए, डांस की तरफ। आई थिंक समवेयर हेमा जी इंस्पायर्ड यू। आई थिंक वो हमेशा
Course.
इतनी एक्टिव रही हैं, अभी भी एक्टिव है।
Ji, bilkul. With my mother, my grandmother, I've grown up in a household filled with very dominating, prominent, strong personalities of women. So that impact obviously is going to be there in my blood. And I think it's nice that they all have always been very much in the forefront, very I would say they set goals and they achieve them.
Yes, yes। And Bharat as a producer, how different was it then as a husband? How he was, since not from the film industry, do you think how he took up this new hobby that he as a producer? What do you think? How did a good job of it?
For him, like you mentioned, he's from a totally different profession, but he enjoys watching good cinema. He watches a lot of foreign cinema. He has a good insight as a viewer, and a lot of web series. He loves watching a lot. He watches, in fact, a lot more than I do. So when we take decisions on what to make next, and when we took the decision, this was what we want to make. His contribution comes in from the viewer's point of view. I'm more of an actor, and the creative side comes in from me. So it works well together, and yeah, it's something new for him as well.
So actor, director, mother, everything. Now what next? Director in making for Isha Deol?
I love to do things. I think from my heart. I think you all know that by now. I do things by my gut instinct. For example, when I wrote the book, also, it wasn't that I want to turn author and write a book or anything. It was purely my experiences that I went through as a first time mother, which I felt I want to share with all the new moms, to be new moms. And the book was very well received. There were like 200 recipes for kids. So that was a lovely experience. Then this again has happened very organically, and I think, the willpower to follow through and do things that one imagines one wants to do.
Gee. Anything
That's
interesting incident during the shoot? Something mazedar which happened? Something quirky? Something
This
interesting?
shoot was very different for me because every time I went on set, every day I would also go as a producer and not just an actor. So that was very different for me. Having to make sure that everyone is content, everyone is getting what they want, everyone is fed well, everyone is in a good frame of mind at work and treats this project as a family, one big family. So all that was really exciting to be in it at the moment as an actor and a producer.
Gee. So, Isha, all the best for your new venture, and we're sure that it will really be a rocking film. As we'll always love your work, admired your always the things you do. So, all the best
Thank
from our
you so
side,
much.
and keep rocking and keep on doing the good work. Thank you so much, and stay safe.
Take care. You too.